Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use different styles of text in HTML document, and particularly I will let you know how to underline text, how to boldface text, and how to italize your text in HTML document. Again, I would just like to give a quick review as from my previous videos. Here I'm using HTML starting tag. This is HTML ending tag. Then there is a head and title, which I gave Safi Mixed. This is body tag. This is heading tag, and this is paragraph tag. So I have used different paragraph tags. This is line tag, which I want to remove from here, and I also like remove this. This is from my previous video. So now I want to use the tags. I want to introduce you to the tags for italic. So with the tag for italic is just to use a curly bracket I in this and the text that you want to put into italic format. So you and then there is closing tag, and that is also I. So this in fact produce in italic text. Now I want to use another one. I want to use boldface. So the boldface, the tag for boldface is just B, and the text that you want to boldface should be put inside it, and this is B, right? And there is another one used for boldface that is called strong. Strong is also used, and the strong tag is also used. This is so we have the strong tag, we have the B tag, and then I want to use here underlining. So underlining is the tag for underlining is just U, and I want to underline these two words, so I close the tag here. So now we have the italic tag at this position, right? The boldface B tag at this position, the strong boldface at this position. There is no special difference between B and strong tag, but the two are used in different contexts. And then there is the underline tag. Now if I want to save this document to HTML, so I save this to HTML, and then I go to the folder where I have saved it, and I open the document, and here is the document. You see, this is the underline, this is the italic text, which I use the I tag. This is the bold text, which I use the B tag. This is the bold text, which I use the strong tag, and this is underlining tag. This is underlining tag. So you use these tags for different styles in your HTML document. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.